The book is about like how a small state is it is preventing the coronavirus. It is how it is getting like it is being recovered. Like first it was like 30 or 40 cases being registered a day, but but nowadays like last week 61 cases were recovered, and day by day the cases that were recovering was is increasing, while the newly registered cases are decreasing. So I thought like that the like in America and all the big powers, world's power nations are all falling down in front of this big virus. So how a small state of ours, like we are also like a state of Maharashtra, but they can control the virus, while we like they have community spread, while we have made all the necessary arrangement to stop the virus. We are 2-3 steps ahead of than these states, and now they are our status being like has giving the best treatment. They are like the CM is last month said that he's giving they are the state will be recharging the phones of all the people who are quarantined. Like that the state has done many useful and necessary things to prevent this virus. So in this way our state has done the maximum how they can do to prevent this virus. So they are doing day by day, they are giving like free rations, free vegetable kits and all, and like that they are giving everything so that all the necessary requirements are taken, and like the people are being recovered day by day, and our state is being on the edge of recovery. I almost took 3 months, almost took a month, if I tell correctly, 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks or so, that much I took.
What about your first book?
First is like I have a blog and all. I writes every day. After my school closed, the next day itself I started writing. So all day I write by myself about the for in that time the coronavirus started, and also no football matches, and also I started writing what all are the happening in the world right now. When will the match starts? What are happening in the world right now? How many transfer and I thought of making it into a book. So I made that whole blog into a book. That's it. I released it on Amazon. That I also released the Kerala, the state, that book also in Amazon, but they couldn't give paperback for the book, and I tried to do paperback, but it at least need 24 pages. So my book, the Amazon book, only has 18 pages. So I thought of making it in a real one, and if I make in a paperback in Amazon also, but they won't give it back to me. Like we can't get it in India. They will give it to other countries only. We can't get it. So I wanted it to be released in India itself. So that's why I started doing it in my laptop and being into PageMaker and all.